At Family Holistic Dentistry, their caring team provides comprehensive oral care with the highest standard of treatments, materials, and education, delivered with state-of-the-art technology and a holistic approach tailored to each patient. We spoke with the owner and founder, Dr. Carmen Burke, about this wonderful practice and how they offer in-depth continuing education to dentists around the world.
Yeah, our practice is Family Holistic Dentistry. We have different approach of dentistry in the sense that we always look for the root cause, everything that happens in the mouth, because everything is related. So sometimes we see things in the mouth as a consequence of anything that is going in the body, or vice versa. For us to see the root cause, we have this technology, the CBCT, which is a computerized tomography, and we can see infections that they are really hidden we cannot see them with the regular sensors. We have lasers in our practice as the Photona laser. This laser has the ND jack and the erbium and is used for many things. Other thing that is really important for our practice is that we have biocompatible materials. So we do tests to see if they have any reactions or allergies, and then we choose our materials based on that. So something that we use is ceramic implants. So we place ceramic implants because they are more biocompatible than the titanium implants for many people.
CeraRoot are advanced ceramic dental implants engineered to work in harmony with the body, supporting natural tissue integration, reducing inflammation, and maintaining long-term stability. Designed for strength, aesthetics, and biocompatibility, these implants provide patients with a safe, metal-free solution and lasting clinical confidence for a healthy, natural-looking smile. At Family Holistic Dentistry, they offer CeraRoot classes twice a year to dentists from all over the world. These 2-day classes are taught by Dr. Burke and Dr. Xavi Oliva, the CEO of CeraRoot. The class offers a comprehensive learning experience featuring hands-on exercises and live surgeries. Dentists learn about the science behind how to place the implant, along with exercises with stone models to learn how to use the kit and how to understand the process. Then they have some light surgeries that Dr. Burke performs where they are welcome to be in the room. They have a big screen where the dentist can see the procedure up close, from the diagnosis to the final crown. Additional benefits include a supportive community group for ongoing learning and networking, with a special dinner event to strengthen community ties. The main objective of Family Holistic Dentistry is to provide the highest quality dentistry with state-of-the-art technology and first-class service, along with their integrated use of dental medicine and holistic approach.